Okay, now that you have learned about how all the pieces move, let's learn about how the board is set up and how the game is played. So, here's how we set up the pieces. First goes the rook, here in the corners. And there are 2 rooks for each team. Then goes the knight, next to the rook. Again, just like rooks, there are 2 knights. Next comes the bishop, which is right next to the knight. Now, there are 2 bishops, but one sits on the dark square and the other sits on the light square. We remember that, right? Now, next comes the queen. There is only one queen, and she sits on the square that is the same color as the pieces. So, a white queen will sit on the white or the light square, right here. And right next to the queen is the king. So that's all your major pieces. Now, all the 8 pawns line up in the front, in the second row, like this. And that's it. Your army is ready for battle, Captain.